Hi cake friends, welcome back to Wisdom Wednesday here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the fun we're having here. Today I'm just giving you guys a quick tip on how we move our cakes off of our cake board onto our cake stand. A lot of times people ask how when I take my cake pictures you can't see the cake board and how I move the cake and get it onto there. So I'm going to show you the tips that I've learned and I'm going to pass them on to you because they're awesome tips and you guys are going to love this one. Alright, whenever I make a cake, regardless of what size, I always have the cake board a little bit bigger. So I have a 6-inch cake and I have an 8-inch cake board. However, I do have a 6-inch cake that I taped to the 8-inch cake board before I made my cake. So I just taped the 6-inch to the 8-inch. So now, when I'm finished making my cake, this, however, is just a tip for if I'm not gonna give the cake to somebody, if I'm not making it for anyone, if it's just gonna stay here, this is how we get a good picture. Otherwise, I'll keep the cake board so you have it more sturdy when you're gonna give it to somebody. So don't do this unless you're gonna keep the cake at home. Okay, so to start out to move our cake, I have my cake lifter, my Wilton cake lifter. You guys, this is amazing. It is such a good thing. It's one of my favorite things. You guys, I got it at Walmart and it's awesome, so go get it. We are gonna start by putting this cake lifter right underneath the bottom of my cake. I've taped it, I told you the 6-inch to the 8-inch, and as we push underneath the cake, it lifts up. The tape comes right off the bottom. Sometimes if the tape doesn't come right off, I just kind of pull it off as I'm lifting the cake up, but it gives you that little, space so you can lift the cake. So then we lift and we set it right here. A lot of times if your cake is chilled, it makes it a lot more easier to move it. So make sure that your cake is coming out of the freezer or the fridge when you're gonna move it. That way if you do bump it a little bit, you won't cause any fingerprints in that buttercream. So my tip today, get your little cake lifter, tape your cake board to a bigger cake board and then just right underneath, slide it, gives you leverage, lift that cake and set it right here on this pretty cake stand, and then you have a pretty cake for pictures, or if people are coming and you want your cake to look nice, there you go guys. Super easy, fun tip. Go home and try it and let me know how it goes. I love hearing your comments and seeing if any of these tips are helping you guys. Make sure and subscribe like I said, and have an awesome day guys.